Have a good day everyone, and today we will see layer properties in AutoCAD. This is the first tutorial about layer properties. Okay, let's see. There is a new drawing file. Okay, go layer properties. 10 layers are there. Okay, go new property filter, click here, add filter name, B layers, filter name, click name column, click below, add name B1, enter, add name B2, enter, B3, enter. Okay, filter preview, B layers visible, click OK. Okay, now current filter name B layers, invert filter tick, invisible B layers, invert filter untick, now visible B layers. Okay, click here, filter name add, turn off layers. Now go on column, click here, turn off, select, now visible, turn off layers. Okay, click OK. Okay, turn off layers, visible, now tick, invert filter, now turn off layers, invisible. Okay, untick, invert filter. Okay, now turn off layers, visible. Okay, again go new property filter, add filter name, freeze layers, select freeze column, click here, select freeze. Okay, now visible freeze layers. Okay, click OK. Freeze layers visible, tick invert to filter, freeze layers invisible now. Okay, untick invert filter, again go new property filter, add filter name, lock layers, go lock column, click here, select lock, now visible lock layers. Okay, click here, click invert filter, now invisible lock layers. Okay, untick invert filter, again go new property filter, add filter name, non-plot layers, go plot column, click here, non-plot select. Okay, now visible non-plot layers. Okay, non-plot layers visible, tick invert filter, now invisible non-plot layers. Okay, untick invert filter, now visible non-plot layers. Okay, again go new property filter, add filter name, red color layers, select color, click here, select red. Okay, click OK. Now visible red color layers. Okay, red color layers visible, tick invert filter, now red color layers invisible, untick, again go property filter, add filter name, line type, go line type, click here, select center. Okay, now center line types layers visible. Okay, center line type layers are visible now. Invert filter tick, untick. Okay, property filter, add filter name, line weight, go line weight column, click here, 0.30, select. Okay, okay, click invert filter, untick invert filter. Okay, again go property filter, add filter name, transparency, go transparency column, click here, add 50, okay, transparency 50, okay, tick invert filter, untick invert filter, okay, again go new property filter, add filter name, viewport, freeze, go viewport freeze, click freeze, okay, now visible viewport freeze layers, okay, viewport freeze layers, okay, invert filter, click, untick invert filter, okay, now go new group filter, click here, rename filter name, unwanted layers, enter, tick all use layer, tick, select layer, drag and drop, unwanted layers, select D1 layer, drag and drop, unwanted layers, select D3 layer, drag and drop, unwanted layer, okay, now tick unwanted layers, DA3, D1, D3, okay, invert filter tick, untick, okay, tick all use layers, all layers tick, B layers tick, unwanted layers tick, invert, untick, lock layers tick, layer properties click, now layer list, lock layers, okay, go layer properties, tick all use layers, layer properties click, now display all layers, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.